In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps in the background and accessing it. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen. Then tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!